Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Maker's Mark Bourbon Pecan Pie in the crock pot. First thing you're going to need is about a pound of pecans. Next thing, grab your Maker's Mark, pour yourself a glass, take a sip, and pour one out for the dead homies ain't with us no more. Take another sip. Next, 1 cup of brown sugar. And mix. Now it's time to make the crust. Now push your crust into your crock pot. Now you're going to want to broil that for just a minute or two. Now it's time to make the filling. Start with a whole stick of butter. Now add 2 eggs. Have you a sip. Add another cup of sugar. Add you a cup of Caro syrup. Add some vanilla. Add some whiskey. Go ahead and take yourself a sip. Go ahead and add a touch of brown sugar to your filling. For the peas in resistance, add some salt. Hell, go ahead and add a little more. Now mix it up real good. Ugh. Add in your pecans. Now add your filling. Now sprinkle you a little brown sugar on top. Go ahead and put it on high for about 3 hours. Now come up with something else to do for 3 hours. Have another sip of whiskey. Wait for your wife to get home.
Oh, it's hot. But it's good.